venous and vascular pressures. Management is pericardiocentesis. Muna siya ang ginabutang ang tube para i-drain ang fluid sa heart. Also, we use diuretics. Nursing management, monitor vital signs closely, monitor ECG tracings, assess heart sounds, i-elevate ang head of bed to facilitate breathing, instruct patient to perform proper breathing techniques. DIC, it is a complex disorder of coagulation or fibrinolysis which results in thrombosis and bleeding. Most common in blood malignancies, mga leukemia, mga lymphoma, mga manan. So signs and symptoms, easy bruising, prolonged bleeding of venipuncture injection sites, GI, and gum bleeding. Management, blood transfusion of fresh frozen plasma and cryoprecipitates. These are products that contain clotting factors. Anticoagulants such as heparin to decrease stimulation of coagulation pathways. Nursing management. Monitor vital signs closely, monitor intake and output, assess skin color and temperature, minimize special activities, prevent bleeding by applying pressure to venipuncture sites, and avoid non-essential invasive procedures. Provide safe environment that will keep patient from injuries. Now we will discuss cancer rehab. So it is important that we also have cancer rehab. Like for example, the patient is post-MRM. Kung kinoperahan na sila, usually they will experience difficulty of raising their hands because of the